Okay, welcome to the class, student. This is the second class of parabola, second part of parabola. Be careful here. We are going to discuss the important things today, right? Please concentrate. Focus. Here in this question, the equation of the parabola whose focus is 0, 4 and vertex is given, directrix is given. Focus and directrix is given means generally students want to write directly the answer. Sir, you spend little time so that you can mark correct answer. What I mean to suggest, what I suggest to you, that spend little time. See here, it is not so big here. SP is equal to PM. SP is what? Here you see that x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square, and here perpendicular distance, you know very well, 4 divided by root 1 whole square you can write. Or x square is equal to y plus 4 whole square minus y minus 4 whole square. See this, x square is equal to 16y we are getting. X square is equal to 16y we are getting. Of course, no doubt. What happened here, sometimes they would like to write like this. They want to do this in this way. Y is equal to minus 4. What is this? Directly you can write now. The shape of the diagram is like this. We understood here clearly. This is what 0, 4 and here he has gone minus 4. Yeah, we can write here. What is that? X square is equal to 4 into 4. Y, you can write like this. I am definitely, I'll be with you. But it is always, while writing this one, what I mean to say that there is a chance to commit a mistake. You take another example I'll take, you see here. Now you see here, I have taken one more example. What is that? Focus is minus 3, 0. Yes. And directrix is what? X is equal to minus 5. Minus 3, 0, minus 5 is there. But in general method means it is very easy for me. SP is equal to PM. So x plus 3 whole square is equal to PM square means x plus 5. Sorry, plus y square is equal to PM square is nothing but x plus 5 by root 1 whole square you can write. So y square is equal to x plus 5 whole square minus x plus 3 whole square is there. Yeah, y square is equal to x square gone. 10 minus 6 means 4x and 25 minus 9 means plus 16. Right, so that y square equal to 4 into x plus 4, you are getting like this. See, easily we did it. But if you try in that one, first thing is you would like to mark whether it is on x-axis or y-axis. X-axis 3, okay, minus 3, 0, fine. Then later onwards you will think about, this is what? Focus. Then you will think about directrix. What is directrix now? Acha, x is equal to minus 5. Yeah, x is equal to minus 5. First point is, it is not, the focus is not at origin. See, vertex is not at origin, sorry, vertex is not at origin, something is there vertex. Vertex is something is there means definitely this is the way. So, here we are wasting the time. What I mean to say that, but not always, right? Doing like this is difficult, right? You have to identify first of all vertex. What is the vertex here? You have to find foot of perpendicular, etc. Wasting of time here. So, go with the general procedure. Now you see here, I have taken another example. Focus and vertex is given, how to solve the problem. So you please remember, when focus and vertex is given, usually, in generally, you just identify that whether x coordinates are same or y coordinates are same. Half of the problems can be solved by identifying like that. Here, S is 1, minus 7. A is 1, minus 2 is there. So here, x coordinate is same. If x coordinate is same, we can identify that x is equal to 1 is correct. Now vertex and focus, just you see that number, vertex and focus. Vertex is here a into 1, minus 2. Focus some here downwards. Why? Because minus 7 is there. Yes is 1, minus 7. With this, it is very clear that we can identify the shape of the diagram. Very, very important, identifying the shape. Yeah, we got it. It is concave down, we got it. Concave down, we got it, and very simple here, y minus k whole square is equal to minus 4a into x minus h. We learned this one in the first part. So I want to use here. This is what your h, k. What is your a? A is nothing but as. What is as here? 5. You see that 5 we are getting here. Y minus k, say y minus of minus plus 2 whole square is equal to minus 4 into 5 x minus 1, or else y plus 2 whole square is equal to minus 20 into x minus 1. This is the answer, equation of the parabola. We got it. Take here, I have taken one more example. S is equal to 5, 2. and a is equal to 3 comma 2 is there. Now if you identify y coordinate is same this time. So y coordinate is same means you please remember here it is parallel like this. A is 3 comma 2 and this is 5 comma 2. Focus. Definitely the diagram is like this. Opening, face is opening right to origin side. So this is what parallel to x-axis we have. We know very well that AS, what is AS here? 2 we are getting. The distance is AS is equal to 2 we are getting. Now here y minus, see this. This is y minus, right? So y minus 3 whole square. That's right. Y minus 3 whole square is equal to 4 into 2 x minus, see this, x minus 3. We are getting like this. So y minus 3 whole square is equal to y minus not 3 sir, y minus 2 it is, sorry, y minus 2 whole square is equal to 8 into x minus 3. We are getting like this. In this way we got it. Now see, like this we are going to solve when vertex and focus is given. Yeah, here I am taking one more example. The equation of the parabola whose vertex is given, lateral sectum is 4 and parallel to y-axis is said. You have to be careful. What I suggest you guys while solving that parabola question, be alert. Okay, don't deviate yourself at any time. Why? Because you see this question. What he has given here? Yes. Vertex is given. Vertex is a comma minus 1 comma minus 2 is there. That means x is equal to minus 1 is there. Line. Vertex definitely. Y is x is equal to minus 1 is passing through it. Right. We can. In this case, there are two possibilities are there now. What are the two possibilities are arising? What is that? The parabola may be like this. Because he said that lateral sectum is 4 he said. L here LL dash he has given 4. That means this is 2, this is 2. One chance is this. I am not saying that this is always correct. This is one chance only. The other may be this one. Same as it is. You see this one, a is equal to minus 1 comma minus 2 is there. But it may be in this way also. So lateral sectum is length he has given. He didn't say that above, below, a, nothing he said here. So this is what 2 and this is also 2. Two chances are there. You have what? What I mean to say that two chances. You please identify that. So here vertex and lateral sectum is name. Upper, sir, the concave up it is. If it is concave up, we know very well that x minus 1, x plus 1 whole square equal to 4 into. Lateral sectum 4a is equal to 4 only, sir. He has given here 4a is equal to 4 he has given. Need not worry. 4 and here y plus 2. We are getting the answer for this one. For this one, he didn't say anything. One parabola. Two options are there. You can write here. This is also correct. X plus 1 is equal to minus 4 into y plus 2. Either this or this one is correct when he has given the question is like that. You see here I have taken one more example. There is a chance to give the question like this also related to vertex and focus. How? You see here the equation of the parabola whose vertex and focus are on positive x-axis of the positive x-axis or on positive x-axis. Very clearly while reading it, you please catch this point. While reading is, if possible, I would like to draw the diagram. Right? Positive x-axis. That means this one. They are lying on the this two. Now question is how they are at a distance of h comma k respectively from the origin. Acha, from the origin means that is very clearly from the origin. One is what? H, the other one is k. So this point is what? H comma 0, this point is k comma 0. This is focus and this is vertex. Vertex and focus is there means you know very well focus definitely lies inside the parabola. So it will be in this way. And you know very well AS is nothing but k minus h. K is bigger than h. That's why we are getting here k minus h. So now y minus, sorry, it is a shape here, shape in this way. Y minus 0 whole square is equal to 4 into k minus h. A means that only. H into x minus h. So answer is y square equal to 4 into k minus h, h minus x minus h. We got it like this. Now you see here it is a time to analyze the things, given things. The equation of the parabola whose latus rectum is a line joining the point, he said. I have taken two examples. For better understanding, I have taken two examples. Here what he has given, you see 5 comma minus 1, okay, minus 5 comma 1, another one is 5 comma 1 he has given. So what is going on here? Y coordinates are same. If y coordinates are same, it is very clear. You can analyze, acha, right? You can do like this. See this? Y coordinates are same means it will be like this. So this is minus 5 comma 1 and this is what? 5 comma 1. Right? One parabola is. I can't say that this is the only answer. No. That's why I can't say here this is the only one answer. Other one may be like this. Two answers are there. Yeah, he has not given. He said that ends of the lattice rectum, he said. Ends of the lattice rectum. Yes, of course, this is L, this is L dash, okay. But it doesn't mean that only one parabola. There are the two chances we are getting here now. What is that? First thing what you have to do is, here, let us see that I want to find this one. What I am doing here, you see, yes, we have to find. Either you find the two parabolas, S is required. S is what? Midpoint is S. S is a midpoint. You see here, midpoint. Midpoint is minus 5 plus 5 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2, you will get what? 0 comma 1. This midpoint is 0 comma 1. And the next one is very, very important for us. What is the next one? That is, LL dash is how much? LL dash is what? 10. If LL dash is 10, this is 5 and this is 5. Exactly, the vertex is, if this distance is 2a, this distance is become what? A. Half of this one. So easily we can say that, see what I am saying here, if SL is something 2a generally, then SA become what? A. Keep this point in your mind. So easily you can identify that AS we are getting here 5 by 2, half of this. Okay, 5 by 2 we got it. AS we know very well, 5 by 2. Now you see here, you have to come down 5 by 2 units from origin. What is the point now? It become what? Below the origin, 5 by 2 units. So minus 5 by 2. And it is 1 as usual. Vertex we have. Everything we know very well. Now we can write this diagram is, see here, up is direction. So x minus 5 by 2. That means plus whole square will get 4. What is A? A is what? 5. A is 5. The total length. Lattice rectum here it is what? 4. A you see this one 5 is there, na? Right? LL dash, that is what? 10. LL dash we know very well that 10. Length of lattice rectum is what? 10. We got it. We know very well. 10 is there. And the next one is here y minus 1 it is. Y minus 1 we are supposed to write. 1 unit coming down. Okay. See, this is y is equal to 1. So I think I committed a mistake. What is that? 5 by 2 units you have to come down. Right? You have to come down 5 by 2 units. Please remember. Guys, you see, I think I may committed a mistake over here. Coming down means y coordinate, not x coordinate. X coordinate is, this is what? Y axis only. X coordinate is same. Y axis only we have to change. 1 minus 5 by 2 you have to write. Right? That's a mistake I did it here. A. So now you will get like this. 5 by 2 units we are coming here. So you will get here 0 comma minus 3 by 2 you have. So you can write y, see here, x square. X square, no doubt. 4a, that is what? 10. And here it is y plus 3 by 2. One answer. The other answer is, I want to write here. This 5 by 2 units above this one. That means it is 0. And another one, what happened? 1 plus 5 by 2. This is what? X. For this, what is the answer here? X minus 0 whole square means x square plus x square is equal to 4 into A. A is what? 5 by 2 is there. Need not worry. 5 by 2 I am writing little bit clear here. Here directly I wrote 10. Here 5 by 2 I am writing here. No need to worry. And here y minus 7 by 2. You have to write y minus 7 by 2 because here 7 by 2 you are getting. So the answer is x square is equal to, this is what? 10. Y minus 7 by 2, we got it. See, two answers we have. One is this, the other one is this one. Right? When even though he has given only 2 points, ends of the lattice rectum, we got it 2 parabola, 2 equations. One is that, another one is this one. In the same fashion, I have taken one more example to tell you that clearly what is this. So here x coordinates are same. X coordinates are same means this is the parabola. What is that? X is equal to 1 is the line. One is L, the other one is L dash. L is 1 comma 1, L dash is 1 comma minus 3. So you have what choice? Two choices. One is this, the other choice is this one. Right, vertex, this is one vertex, another vertex is this one. Right, you see this one. Now the question is, the length of this one is what? 4. This is 2, this is 2. Midpoint, yes, you have to find. What is the S here? 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 minus 3 by 2. You are getting here 1 comma minus 1. His focus is 1 comma minus 1 for both the parabola. 1 comma minus 1 for both the parabola. So you see here this distance is 2. You come down to 1 unit, left side of 1 unit. If you come, what happened here? It becomes not 0. 0 comma 1. 0 comma minus 1 here. This is what y coordinate now? Minus 1. 0 comma minus 1 you can say. This is 0 comma minus 1. Once you got it 0 comma 1 and this distance is what? 1. Half of this one. SL 2A means this is what? A. I said it to you in the previous case. Wherever you want, that the rule is same. So now vertex we got it. Once we got it the vertex, this is the parabola. We are going to write y square. See here. Y plus 1 whole square. Right, y plus 1 whole square. Shape is that side. So next one 4A. A is what? 2. Not 2, 1. 4A. And x minus 0. Nothing to worry. Y plus 1 whole square equal to 4x. One answer. Other one is also there, sir. You have to travel 1 unit. 1 unit that side if you travel, this A become what? 2 comma minus 1. So you are going to write, I want to write over here. You see this one. What x? What is that? Y. Shape is this side. Y plus 1 whole square, but I have to write minus 4. And this time x minus 2 is also there. This is the answer for this parabola. Okay, like this. Vertex, 2 ends of the lateral sectums are given means you have to be careful. You will get 2 answers. Right, you will get 2 answers in this one. In this case, you will get 2 answers, guys. Please remember. Now, you see here one more question here. Parabola is parallel to x-axis. Parabola is parallel to y-axis. Very simple. See here, parabola is parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. How to write? Need not draw the diagram. See here, parabola, parallel to x-axis is one case. And parallel to axis of the parabola is, what is that? Axis. Axis of the parabola. Axis of the parabola. Parallel to x-axis, the same word, parallel to y-axis. Here y-axis. What is the equation? Right, sir? We have 2. Very simple. Parallel to x-axis means, you just remember this diagram, y square equal to 4ax. Who is the x-axis? You know very well. That means here by seeing this you can write x is equal to ay square plus by plus c. Parallel to, suppose if I said here parallel to, right, parallel to y-axis means y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. You can decide easily by using this one, x square equal to 4ay. Axis of the parabola is x-axis. Axis of the parabola is y-axis. Parallel to x-axis, quadratic in terms of what? Y. So that you write quadratic in terms of this. Quadratic in terms of x. So that you can write like this. Okay. Please remember, writing like this is very, very important. Now you see, what I am doing here, according to the question, here, parallel to x-axis is said. Parallel to x-axis means, just now I said it to you that parallel to x-axis, parabola whose axis is what? X-axis, y square equal to 4ax. So now, x is equal to ay square plus by plus c we are getting here now. Right. Now what you have to do, let us assume that the equation is like this. Now start substituting here. What is that? Minus 2 comma 1 I am substituting here. 1 is equal to, see here, minus 2 is equal to a plus b plus c we are getting. Right. Second equation. Now I want to substitute 1 comma 2. If I substitute 1 comma 2 here in this case, so 2 is equal to, not 2, 1 is equal to. Right, 1 is equal to, I substituted 2 here. 4a plus 2b plus c we are getting. Third one. The next one is there, minus 1 comma 3 is there. You substitute here. So x is minus 1. 3 if you substitute, 9a plus 3b plus c is 4. Do one thing, subtract, avoid c, better it is. What is that? Here minus 2 is equal to a plus b plus c I have taken, see from 2 minus 3 I am doing now. Here 1 is equal to 4a plus 2b plus c. I am trying to avoid c gone. What will get here? 3 is equal to, this is minus 3a. What about this? Minus b you are getting. Need not worry, we got it. One more equation, say this is what? Fifth one. Now in the same way I want to go for another one. What is that? 3 minus 4 this time. If you subtract here, 2 is equal to minus 5a. If you subtract minus b, yes sir, minus b, subtraction, and c is gone. This is what sixth equation will get. So from this two, very clearly, if you subtract once again by taking these two, minus, plus, b is gone. Here minus 5 is equal to how much you are getting here? You see this one, 2a you are getting. So the value of a we got it as what? Minus 5 by 2. Once you got it, value of a as minus 5 by 2, take any one of the equation. Minus 3 is equal to, here 3a, that is what? 15 by 2. 3 5 is 15 by 2, minus of minus plus, here minus b is there. So b is equal to 15 by 2 plus 3, you know very well b is equal to 21 by 2. B is equal to 21 by 2, you got it. Once you know that a, b values, right, a value and b value, first equation is better. So a value is minus 5 by 2, b value is 21 by 2 plus c. To get the c value, minus 2 is equal to, here it is, if you remove this one, you will get what? 16 by 2 plus c is there, c is equal to, so minus 10 you are getting here. Now finally the answer is x is equal to a, what is that? A, 5 by 2 y square, b 21 by 2 y, c minus 10. Or finally you want to write here like this, 5y square minus 21y, and here plus 2x and 2x plus 20 equal to 0. You can say like this. See this, one of the important point I would like to discuss with you. The coordinates of the point on the parabola y square equal to 8x whose focal distance is given. The question is, if focal distance is given, means what is focal distance? You see here, focal distance. What is focal distance? Suppose if you take y square equal to 4ax is a parabola, see parabola, the shape is like this, and you know very well that focus is s is a comma 0, and some point if you take here, this is sp is called focal distance. Need not worry sir, you take x1 y1. What is that sp? Sp is equal to under root of x minus a whole square plus y square, or else you know very well this is x minus a whole square. If you take x1 y1 it is, you can write x1 y1, nothing to worry. And y1 means this, since this point lies on the parabola, therefore you can say that 4ax1. So finally you will get what? x1 plus a is a focal distance, right? I would like to show you another one. Suppose what sir you are taking only one equation. Need not worry sir, you take like this, focus is in this way, here also focus is same, right? Minus a comma 0, you will get here sp is equal to, in this case is what? x1 plus a, yeah, x1 y1, p it is x1 y1 plus y1 square it is, that means under root of, you see here x1 plus a whole square plus 4x1 x1a, but this is minus now, equation is minus, so we are getting here x1 minus a. What I am trying to tell you, focal distance means depends on the parabolic equation, it will get. See, I have taken two equations. One more I will tell you. No need to worry. No need to worry. So here x square equal to 4ay is there. Yes, you know very well the shape is like this. 0 comma a is like this. Vertex is this. So somewhere here you take down p is x1 y1. Yes, focal distance. What is the focal distance here? Sp. In this case under root of, you see, x square plus x1 square plus y minus a whole square will get. Need not worry, x1 square is nothing but 4a y1 square. So y minus a whole square, y1 minus a whole square equal to 4a y1. So mod of a plus y1 or y1 plus a. See here, this is one case, this is another case is this one. Similarly, you can write for this case also. If it is like this, then also focal distance SP. This is S and this is P. What is the focal distance? You will get SP is equal to y1 minus a. Here x1 plus a, x1 minus a, this one is there, this one is there. When you are learning, learn with the four diagrams. For 4 diagrams you learn. What I suggest you that for 4 diagrams you learn, then only you will get clarity. Getting the clarity is very, very important than just for a namesake, for the sake of problem we are doing only this one is not correct. You should have an idea about all the 4 diagrams. Now you see in this problem, what is that? Shape is like this. 4a is equal to 8, a is equal to 2. This is 2 comma 0 here, and this one is x1 y1 if you take p. So x1, what do you got it here? x1 minus a whole square or x1 plus a whole square? Just think about. So he has given focal distance is 10, x1 plus a is equal to 10 he has given. So x1 plus a means 2 is 10. So x1 is equal to 2 chances here. x1 plus 2 is equal to 10, x1 plus 2 is equal to minus 10. So x1 is equal to 8, x1 is equal to minus 12. But one thing is very clear, this never exists. Why? Square quantity cannot be negative. This x1 y1 lies in the parabola, so square quantity cannot be negative, so leave it this. The point we will get here, x1 is this means, what is y1? y1 square is equal to 8 into x1 is there, so y1 square is equal to 8 into 8, so y1 is equal to plus or minus 8 you will get. Yeah, this is a chance. One is this side, the other one is this side, may be possible, right? But not negative side. Negative side is not possible here. So the point is 8 comma 8 or 8 comma minus 8. Like this we are going to solve the problem. One good question I have selected here. It's a previous examination question. You see what he has given here, you see the locus of vertex of the family of the parabola. What we learned, how to mold the equation, etc., etc. we learn. Based on that, whatever we have learned, using that one only we can handle. How? You see this one, I want to mold this one, a cube by 3, right? A cube by 3, if you take common x square here, plus this is 2a, 3 is there, x is there, minus 2a. Now you see y is equal to a cube by 3 x square plus because I selected here 3 is not there, that's why I multiplied here in this case. So 2 into 3 by 4 a I had to write x, then afterwards 9 by 16 a square, 9 by 16 a square, adding and subtracting, nothing to worry, we'll get like this. Y is equal to a cube by 3 into x plus 3 by 4a whole square by taking this 3. Now you multiply to this one. What happened here? 9a cube by 3 into 16a square minus 2a. You see here a square is there, you can cut it off. This is what a 3, here also 3, so 1. A cube by 3, slowly I am doing here. You see this, please observe carefully here. The steps are important. 3a, even though it is an objective question, you maintain little speed, that's more than a 3a, and here 16 to the 32, 32 plus 3, 35, 35a by 16 we have. Like this we can write. Now 3 by a cube into y plus 35a by 16. You see here while writing this step I have gone directly. Now what is vertex? Vertex is like this, h comma k. Generally people are going to denote vertex. What is that now? Minus 3 by 4a and minus 35a by 16. We have what like this. He said that locus of vertex. Locus of vertex means any parameter is there, that one we have to avoid. A. If you try to avoid a, that means you see here h and k, if I multiply here 4a into minus 35a by 16, you see a gone. What we have? hk is equal to 105 by 64 you have. But we want locus of hk is nothing but hk means xy. xy is equal to 105 by 64. 105 by 64 we got it. Like this we solve the problem. Now you see here another example. Another problem I have taken. There may be a chance to ask this type of questions. What is that? The length of the lateral sectum of the parabola whose focus is this one and directrix. You see, in generally, focus is there, directrix is there. You see this? Directrix, focus is there, Z. This distance is what? 2a. Right? That distance is what? 2a. What is this distance is 2a na, generally. When you take here y square equal to 4ax, you will get like this. So distance is 2a from S to directrix. This is what? Directrix. So what I suggest to you that directly length of latus rectum is equal to 2 times of SZ. I want to use this concept. Now 2 times of perpendicular distance from focus to this one, right? Minus u square by 2g into cos 2 alpha. Seeing this one, don't get panic. Treat this one as a just point and you substitute in this equation. What is that? Ax, this is the formula I am using here. Ax 1 plus by 1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. Of course, here a is not there. Nothing to worry. A is not there. Nothing to worry. Yeah, constant is there. Y is there. I am substituting. What is the constant? Y square by 2g. Yes, I'll write mod. And the coefficient of this one is 1. Yeah, fine. No problem. Mod is there. You take u square by 2g common. 1 plus cos 2 alpha is a left out one. Now, this 2 gone. So, u square by g. This is what? 2 cos square alpha. Or else 2u square by g into cos square alpha. This is your answer. Don't get panicked by seeing some different letters. In this way, you have to attempt. Okay, now with this question it is very clear. You should have a perfection in the diagram. Then only you can attempt this type of question. Why? Very simple. What x he has given? Directrix is given. Let us see. Directrix is this one. 3x plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0 is given. Right. This is vertex. Vertex is there. And latus rectum. You know very well that if it is z and s is there, this distance is same as this distance. So vertex, what he has given here? 4, 3 has given. Latus rectum is also what? Parallel to. Very simple. Latus rectum, equation of latus rectum. Okay, latus rectum is parallel to, sorry, I'll write here, is parallel to directrix. Is parallel to directrix. So, you know very well that assuming the equation parallel to this one, that is what? 3x plus 2y plus something k equal to 0, because these two are parallel. And you know very well this distance and this distance is same. So, the distance from A to directrix, what is that? 4 into 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 7 by under root of, this is 9 plus 4 modulus, where same as it is for this one also. What is that? How we are going to get the value of k is like this, sir. What you will get here? 3 into 4 plus 2 into 3 plus k divided by under root of 9 plus 4. Need not worry, this is gone. Here it is 12 plus 6, 18 and here it is 7 is there. That means here 11 we are getting here. And this one is, you see here 12 plus 6, 18 plus k we have. So 2 cases here, 11 is equal to 18 plus k is equal to minus 7. Already minus 7 is there, parallel. The other one is 11 is equal to, minus 11 is equal to 18 plus k and k is equal to minus 29. So what is the answer now? 3x plus 2y minus 29 equal to 0 is the latus rectum, equation of the latus rectum like this. See now, here I use the word double ordinate. In the question is double ordinate, he used the word, not I, he used the word double ordinate. So what is meant by double ordinate means, please remember, generalized equation, standard equation I am taking here, y square equal to 4ax. Please remember that any line perpendicular to axis of the parabola and cut the parabola at 2 points P and Q. For example, this one is there means x comma y, if you say this is what x comma minus y will get. Right, double ordinate means the line perpendicular to axis, cut the parabola at 2 points. You can take the line here also, but that is not correct. It should cut the parabola. Now the question is what? Yeah, standard equation he has given. Right, I would like to consider this one only. Now the question is, if this double ordinate is going to subtend an angle 60 degrees, he said, say like this. This is what I would like to take the original equation, whatever he has given here, like that. Now question is, if he said that like this is what 30 degrees and this become what 30. Total angle is subtended 60 degrees, so that I can take 30. And I am not interested to take this one now. Now it is very simple. What exactly we have to find? we have to find length of the double ordinate. What is the length of the double ordinate? I don't know here. Let us say that L. But in this triangle, this is vertex. In this triangle, say something here, I don't know this, you can't say that focus. One of the double ordinate is what? Lateral septum. Oh yes, but always it is not correct. Right? Something here, something you say that R. Chalega. So in triangle APR, you see that in triangle APR, I can say that P is equal to A cos theta, right? Not A, L cos theta, L cos theta and L sin theta. I can write here. What is theta? Cos 30, L sin 30, right? And P is equal to L root 3 by 2, L by 2 here. This one lies on the parabola or not? Yes, it lies on the parabola. So lies on the parabola means, you see here, L by 2 whole square is equal to 8 into L root 3 by 2. Of course, we got it like this. So L square by 4 here, 4L root 3 is there. L is equal to 16 root 3, we got it. L is equal to 16 root 3. But we have to get PQ. What is PQ? 2 times of PR. So PR is what? L sin theta, L sin 30. So 2, L 16 root 3 and sin 30, 1 by 2 gone. So that luckily we got it what? PQ is also same as that. Right? Like this we are going to find double ordinate relatedly. Whatever he asked, we got the answer. Now one more problem we'll do on double ordinate. Okay, now PQ is a double ordinate of the parabola. You see this? Interesting. So P is x comma y, I'll take x1 comma y1, and Q is x1 comma minus y1, I'll take. Trisectional points he sent. I would like to take R and something T, because I can't take A and S, etc. all those things. Let us say that this one is H comma K. This is what? Assumption. Right, this is assumption. That means here PR is equal to RT is equal to TQ, trisectional points. So clearly R divides PQ in the ratio 1:2, because this is 1 units, this is what? 2 units, because all the units are same, 1:2 ratio. So P is what? x1 y1 and Q is x1 minus y1 is there. Now we will get H comma K. What is that H comma K means? 1 into x1 plus 2 into x1 divided by 1 plus 2. 1 into minus y1 plus 2 into y1 divided by 1 plus 2. Right. So H comma K is equal to, this is what? X1 and the other one is y1 by 2, y1 by 3, we got it. So here H is equal to x1, K is equal to y1 by 3, or y1 is equal to 3K. But you remember H and K, I would like to write here. Okay, H and K lies, okay, x1, y1 lies on the parabola. So we can write here y1 square is equal to 4a x1, right? y1 means 3k whole square, 4a h. So 9k square equal to 4a h. What we want? Locus of hk is 9y square equal to 4a x. We got it like this. See, it's interesting. Okay, now you see here such a big data he has given. What is that? An arch is in the shape of parabola. Now I want to do like this, sir. Right? This is the arch is in the shape of parabola. Vertically downwards. Yeah. Measure 80 meters. Okay. I want to take in this way. This is vertex. Right. Measure 80 means this is 40. This is 40. Say like this. No problem. And the next one is bottom on the ground. The highest point, okay, highest point is, means this distance is what? 24 meters he has given, right? Horizontal beam, okay, a horizontal beam is placed over here. How much distance? 18. If this is 18, total 24, na, this is 6. What I am suggesting you, this is my y-axis, right? I am taking this as y-axis, and this is what? X-axis. For my convenient, by. Nothing to worry. This is what? A, something, B, C, D, E, F, G. Nothing to worry. You can take like this. Now you see, I can assume this parabola. That means I'm assuming like this, horizontally. Now what happened here? Y square equal to 4ax I'll take. generalized equation. And you know very well the point C becomes this total distance is 24 and this is what, 40. Yes, like this. Substitute here, it lies. So 40 whole square is equal to 4 into 24 x. You will get 1600 divided by 4 into 24 is equal to x. This is 400. If you cancel here, 8 5s are 40 and 8 3s are 24. You will get here a. Sorry, this is what a we have. A value we got it as like this. Now the equation of the parabola is, I'll write here y-axis. Y square is equal to 4 into a, 50 by 3 x we have. Finally we got the equation of the parabola. Now b coordinates. The b coordinates means this is 6 means we don't know L. Say that L. B coordinates are 6 comma L, you take. Substitute here. What happened here now? L square equal to 4 into 50 by 3 into 6. 3 2s are. So L square is equal to 50, 100 here. 4 into 100, 400 we are getting. So L is equal to what? 20. We got it, L is equal to 20. That what he said here? The length of the measure of the horizontal beam cross section, this is, that means FB. FB is equal to 2 times of EB or 2L, that is FB is equal to 2 times of 20. So FB value is how much? 40. So it depends on assumptions, how you are assuming the given things properly. That is, it depends on you. So in this video I tried to complete whatever the theory part I discussed in the first part. I did most of the problems here and 1 or 2 extra concepts also I discussed. Now the question is, in the next video I would like to discuss tangent and normal related one. Thank you.